Hi Sagittarius. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. This is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot. I'm here to relay the most accurate messages for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Dear angels, kindly guide us. Messages for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Sagittarius, I see you are getting out of an energy of being confused, of being torn between various aspects of your life that take precedence over each other. I mean, they are overlapping. But I think you're coming out of that energy and into a more stable energy. Some of you might be getting a new job offer, something new to start with, something that brings in material wealth. Could be related to some kind of inheritance. For the love part, love and romance part, I feel somebody wants to communicate with you. This person could have been a part of your past and they want to communicate with you regarding this love, but I would like to tell you that they are still very sneaky. The card at the bottom of the deck is Knight of Pentacles. Somebody definitely wants to contact you, Sagittarius. It could be an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. It could also be a fire sign individual just like you, another Sagittarius or a Leo or Aries or somebody with strong fire in their chart. I see a lot of communication coming your way, but most of you have moved on. Now, this person could have been somebody who put you through pain and you guys were together. Probably you were married or you were engaged to this person, but they put you through a lot of pain because they just believed in taking and never giving back or reciprocating in the same authentic manner that you did. And when you left, when you wanted to, take a stand for yourself, you just upped and left. This person realized your value. They're trying to manifest you back into their life, but the only drawback is that they're still very sneaky. I mean, they're not, they haven't changed much. They might have changed on the surface level, but they haven't changed when it comes to their inherent nature. Their fundamental nature is the same. This person could be well off. They could have a lot of inherited wealth or money. They could be rich. I'm getting for most of you, it was a marriage that you walked out on. Yeah, I see you guys moving on to better times. You're taking a stand for yourself, Sagittarius. You don't want to be involved with somebody who takes you for granted, who doesn't value your love and what you bring to the table. You're finally getting that strength to move on, Sagittarius. Dates 17th, 18th, numbers 77, 8, 1 could be important for you. So keep a lookout for those. Yes, this person still probably, and I'm really sorry if it's true, they put you through some kind of third party situation. They were juggling between two people, and yeah, they couldn't make up their mind when it came to you. even if it was a marriage for most of you, being a husband or a wife, they just couldn't make up their mind. Guys, what I want you to do is, I don't know why I got this feeling. You might be pregnant with their child also. Now it won't resonate with most of you, but whoever it does resonate with, guys, you please pay attention to what you're doing, your work, your craft, your hobbies, things that make you happy, your passions. Pay attention to those. Things are falling into place. If you want this person to come back, well, they are. They're trying to communicate with you. They're just scared about, um, they're scared of your reaction towards that communication, but they want to communicate to you. They want to talk to you about this relationship. Yeah, I see some of you are, most of you are feeling empowered. You're feeling as if you have everything that you want and you do not really need somebody who makes you feel like an option, which is great, Sagittarius. Yeah, I think this loss or this relationship that, that was so unpleasant, it took a toll on your health, and you guys need to relax and rejuvenate. Will this person come back? Yes, they want to come back, but I don't see them changing. They want a union with you, they want a second chance, Sagittarius. But are you going to give it to them? And also, will there be anyone, any new person in Sagittarius's life? Are you guys planning to move to another country, another city, another locality and start afresh? I feel some of you want to do that. But yeah, when this person comes back, I think you're going to be giving them another chance because you see them as your wish fulfillment, and so do they. But I feel if you guys do give them a chance, I think you'll do it at your own risk, and you'll know the pros and cons of this decision that you're taking. And I think for most of you, it will work out. And for those who feel that they don't want to give another chance to this past person, I feel there's a new love coming your way. Now, this new love could be from somebody you've known in your past. Some of you. This is a general reading, guys. It may or may not resonate with everyone. So please excuse me if it doesn't resonate with you. And please do check out your other signs. Um, Now let's take out some more messages to get a little more clarity about your. Yeah, there was an ending and a painful one. And if it hasn't happened now, it will be happening in the near future. I'll be drawing some oracle cards for you, Sagittarius. Some extra messages. You can relate it to the tarot, or you can just take them individually. It's fine. It's okay. A new dawn. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. That is a great card. Very soon, and water. Drink more water, eat foods with water in them, such as fresh fruit and vegetables. Um, what you're asking for will happen soon in a happy way. When you keep yourself hydrated, energy flow becomes faster, and you tend to become calmer and a little cooler when it comes to your thought process and your mentality, your mindset. Reconsider. These are individual messages guys. You can take them however they resonate with you. Have faith in your dreams, Sagittarius. Believe in the impossible. Oh, the card at the bottom of the deck says luck is in your on your side and the new moon in Sagittarius. Amazing. New beginnings for you. Now let's take out some Starseed Oracle cards. And then we'll wrap up with this reading. Amazing. Karmic relationships. There could be some kind of conflict, but that conflict will lead you to growth when it comes to your life, and it'll be a growth for your soul as well. This relationship could be a karmic one. Amazing. Lost lands. Uh, the universe is trying to tell you that this is not a path that you haven't walked on before. In one of your past life or in some of your past lives, you have walked on this path. So your soul knows what to do. So just be guided by the universe and surrender it to the universe because she knows what she's doing for you. And the universe always has your back, guys. If this situation is painful, it's not going to last very soon, very long. And I said very soon because I read this card, and whatever dreams or whatever things that there are that you have set your mind to, you will be getting them very soon. All you need to do is retain your faith and be positive about stuff. I hope this reading resonated with you, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. Bye.